What is up, boys and girls? It's your dog Kevin P and welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay mag-update tayo sa ginagawang SM Seaside Arena na matatagpuan just across SM Seaside City in Cebu. Before anything else, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for my latest videos. So tara, punta tayo ng Cebu. So ayun na nga, as you can see, ito ay galing sa update ng The Island Nomad in Cebu sa Facebook page nila. As you can see na nasa Premier Suite level na sila. Zoom in ko. Yan. Yung mga flat areas na yan kasi ay dyan yung Premier Suite rooms. Yung flat area. So, kaya masasabi natin na sa Premier Suite level na sila. As you can see, ito yung floor area. Then, this one naman, lower box. I'm not pretty sure kung iduruktong nila or maglalagay pa sila ng extra concrete dito for lower box. And itong area na to, for sure magkakaroon ng retractable seats. And yun, ito yung Premier Suite level. Unfortunately, wala pang official render na nilalabas yung management regarding sa interior ng arena. Nasa Premier Suite level na yung kinoconstruct ngayon. For sure, magkakaroon pa ng upper box and general admission level pa itong arena na to. And technically, nasa 16,000 seating capacity daw itong ginagawang arena sa Cebu. Ito naman, yan, another aerial view ulit, galing from Island Nomad Facebook page sa Cebu. So, as you can see, ito yung SM Seaside City. Ito yung arena, and this one naman ay yung gagawing SMX Convention Center, Cebu. I'm not pretty sure, but I heard magkakaroon daw ng parang elevated platform na parang Sky Garden na magko-connect sa SM Seaside Arena tsaka sa main mall. But fortunately, wala pang ginagawa na connection regarding that. Yun, nandito pa lang tayo sa area na to. Ang target opening nila will be next year. May mga naririnig na ako kung sino yung unang magpe-perform for this arena. Hindi ko muna sasabihin. Pero exciting na yung artist na ito. So, for sure mag-update ulit ako regarding sa construction and sa latest news for this arena. May mga nakalatag na events na for the venue sa susunod na taon. Pero wala pang official announcement coming from the management and other promoters. Yun muna ang update natin from SM Seaside Arena. Mag-update ulit ako sa mga next na videos ko, kaya abangan nyo dito. And I am so excited for this arena, for this venue, para sa Visayas Mindanao region. And hope to see SM Seaside Arena by next year pag nag-open na. So, see you in Cebu by next year. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Paalam!